In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Assalamu alaykum, warahmatullahi, wabarakatu. Dear friends, today's program, our Really Today, we will show our program, Reality Theft, Family, Emmamali Rahmon. The next issue of the magazine Semi Kanyes is being prepared for publication in conditions when the affairs with the participation of the leading specialists of the country continue in Shunbei. This time Emmamali Rakmanov and his entourage have placed the program of the state coup and usurpation of power on the shoulders of those who were previously considered the same people. For example, the leader of this coup group, which the Russians wanted to prepare for the presidency, Saijafar Usmanzoda, or the former Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Rakhmonov government hamrokanzarifi, or Akbarshow Iskandarov, who was the chairman of the Supreme Council in the past, and overthrew the government in November 1992, took it with both hands to Kujande and handed it over to Emmamali Rakmanov. And unlike the other members of the government of national reconciliation, whom Rakhmonov calls enemies and traitors, Reid Akbarshow Iskandarov was the official representative of the Rakhmanov government in Turkmenistan and Kazakhstan for many years. In short, in the coming days, we will see what plans Rakhmonov has and who he will make his prey this time. However, it seems that all these actions, that is, once again instilling fear and terror in society and making the political and social environment of the country dangerous and unsafe, are not without reason.